Hello guys, my name is Aman Bashir. Today I will show you how to make a jump kind of a jumping game where you can teleport. Just walk upside down in the upper walls like we always want to do in real world. So let's start making it. First of all, as you can see, it's Sprite one, our useless cat. Sorry, Sprite one. Let's just delete it. Okay. Now we will draw a sprite. Okay, and name the sprite. Delete this and name this ground. 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 Okay. Let's start drawing. Okay. First of all, click the rectangle and click on fill. Yeah, fill. Select a greenish color. Make this very green, just like so. Now draw. Mhm. Like so, and place this somewhere here, like so, and select the outline to be a blank. Okay. Now, let's select the rectangle and make a brownish square this time. Yeah, brownish, like so. Select a brownish color. Yeah. Let's just position it a little up so it looks like a ground. I really don't know. That's why I'm so bad at drawing. It's your wish if you can. You can't copy me. It's your wish, but you can just download these. Download these from other people. No problem. Then select everything. Click copy paste. Okay. Position it. Then click on flip vertically and use the shift key and put this up. Just like so. Okay, now click on everything and make this big by holding down the alt key. Okay, then hold down the shift key and click on the undo button. Okay, select everything, hold down the shift key, then not again, select everything, and now oh my god, this is hard, right? Select everything finally and use the space key to do it, and yeah, we can just do it from here. And now drag these thing back, okay, like so. Now let's start coding. Okay, go. Events. When the green flag is clicked, make this bigger. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to motions. Motions. Then go to XY these. Okay, then another, go to XY these. Okay, and glide. Okay, glide and change the X to something like -260. Okay, now let's go to controls. Controls. Do a forever loop. So as you can see, our XY is changing, but these are not changing. It looks like an infinite loop. Okay, now let's stop this. I think we literally forgot the most important thing, a backdrop. So let's make it. Okay, now let's choose a backdrop. Let's choose blue sky number 2. Then let's go to the backdrop sprite. Okay, let's go to backdrops. Okay, now you can select everything. Now just click on copy. Okay, now let's go in backdrop number 1 and paste. Ta-da! Easy as pie. Now let's go to blue sky number 2. Okay, then use the text. Click on sans serif and select pixel. Now write GAME, game OVER, game over. Click on fill and just select a reddish fill, a very bright red fill, like so. Then click on the mousey thing, select this and make this big, just like so. A little more. Now let's do it. Let's code a little for the backdrop. Okay, let's do events. when the green flag is clicked, I will make it a bigger so that you can see. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. Then we will switch our backdrop to click on blue sky number 2 and use the backdrop number 1. So click it. As you can see, it's just a plain backdrop. Now the rest bit we will yeah, I think we will paint a sprite. Okay, now click on the rectangle bit. Okay, now select the fill and select it to be somewhat a darkish a grayish color and a very dark gray color. Then just hold down the shift key. Oh, sorry, maybe it was too big. Make it small. This will do. Now click on the wiggly mouse, that's what I like to call it. Then click on the top right corner, it's deleted. Click on the mousey thing, then click on rotate and hold down the shift key to make it a perfect rotation. Okay, hold down the alt key, make this small, then make this big from this side, just like so. Okay, now we'll just make a little bit more spikies. Okay, so select this, copy paste, like so, then like so, like so, then let's go here, up, then somewhere here, then flip vertically, click on flip vertically. Okay, like so. Now just make this go to the very edge of the screen. We don't care if it even goes here, but just care about the screen. Okay, then let's go somewhere here, like so. Then select everything, copy paste. Let's see. No. Let's see. Again. Oh, boy. Oh, no, not the three. Just these two. No. Okay, you know what? We can just do a little change. Hold this just 3 times. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and 4. I hope 4 times is okay. Now let's start coding. Go to codes. Okay. First of all, the first thing is that events. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls. Okay, drag a forever block so it repeats on it repeats forever. Let's go to motions, go to XY, put this here, go to go to XY, put this here. Then instead of go to XY, glide to XY. Okay, and then do something like negative 260, which must be in sync with our backdrop, just like so. Let's give it a try. Oopsie, 260 is too fast. Let's try something like negative 100. Yeah, nah, still too fast. Negative 60. Yeah, well, looks like I think, oh, we'll just do something like 4 seconds. And now let's change this to 200. Let's see. No, 200 is too little. 260. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, looks like an infinite loop. Okay, actually, as you can see, there is very little space for the player to move. We'll fix that. Go to costumes. Okay, and drag this. Okay, I'm actually drag this somewhere here, so there's room. Similar operation, just drag this 1 and 2 and drag this 1, 2, 3 and no, just drag this one. Hopefully that's a little bit. Let's see. Okay, no problem. Yeah, infinite generation. Yeah, generation. Now for the main thing, our player. Click on choose a sprite. Then search CRAB, crab. Click on crab. Okay, let's go to costumes and just redesign this thing. Okay, as you can see, go here and click on the right side of your mouse, click on duplicate and put this somewhere here. Now let's go to crab number 1. Okay, click on the first foot, then just rotate it. Okay, and place it somewhere up. Okay, just like so. Similar operation. And yeah, similar operation again. Grab the cheese. I mean, just rotate it. Who cares? Okay, now let's go back inside code. Okay, instead of the size set to 100, we'll do something like 50. Pretty nice. Okay, now set this somewhere here, like so. Now let's start coding. Yummy coding. Okay, first events. Yes. When the green flag is clicked. Okay, now let's go to motions. Yeah, motion. Then we will just go to XY, this position, plus point in direction 90, which is the straight direction, or this direction our crab is standing on, just like S and a O. Yeah. Now let's go to variables and make a new variable. Call this as CORE, score. Now click on OK. Now when the flag is clicked, go to XY this thing and point the direction 90, then click on my variable and do score. Set score to 0. Okay, 0, the great hero. Now let's go to controls, drag it forever so it repeats on forever. Looks like I've been saying that forever. Drag an if then block and another if then block, so they are like layers of it. Okay, now let's go to sensing, then do key space pressed and a key space pressed. Okay, do down arrow and do up arrow. Yeah, down and up. Okay, so if the down arrow is pressed, let's go to motions, do go to XY this position plus point in direction 90. Okay, then if the up arrow is pressed, go to XY this position plus point in direction 90. But let's just click it. Yeah, nothing happens because both of these have the same code. We don't want that. So instead of negative 118, do positive 118. And instead of positive 90, do negative 90. Let's see. Let's go up and down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Just like so. Okay. Now, next thing. Let's drag another. Let's go to control. Sorry. Drag another if then block. And here, let's go to sensing and do touching mouse pointer, not mouse pointer. Click on mouse pointer and do touching sprite number 1, which is the spikies. Okay, then let's go to looks. Then we will switch our backdrop to blue sky number 2, which is our game over backdrop. And let's go to controls. Then we'll stop everything so nothing's turning on. And last thing is that last thing, let's paint a brand new very nice sprite. Okay, just click the magnifying glass which shows a positive sign, 4 clicks I think. Make a circle. Okay, select the fill to be a yellowish color because we're literally like making points. Okay, then hold the shift and make it. Okay, center it. As you can see, place this here, and I think this is pretty nice. Okay, somewhere here, so this one will be nice. Okay, now let's do events. When the green flag is clicked, forever, so it repeats on forever. Okay, forever. Let's go to motion. Yeah, motion. Then change x by -5. Oh, sorry. Too much negative signs. Yeah, -5. So it comes charging at us like warriors, but they're not really armed. Just gonna give us some points. Okay. So then now go to controls. Drag a if then block. Yeah. Then yeah, let's go to operators, and then drag this block. Okay, then let's go to motions. Go to the very last section until you find the exposition. Drag this here and put this here. So if the exposition is if the exposition is greater than the very edge of the screen, let's just set this here, which is something like -220. Then go to the very start of the screen, okay, which is +220, and at the very start we want it to go to +220, just like so. Let's try this out. Oopsie. No. Oh, well, light touch. Okay. Finally, managed to escape it. Look, it's coming at us. I'll just show you it again. As you can see, it's just charging at us because the exposition is like changing. Okay. Now next thing is that let's drag go to controls, drag an if then block. Okay, if then block. If then let's go to sensing, do touching mouse pointer. Just click on mouse pointer and do touching our crab. Then let's go to variables, change my variable by 1. Just do score. Okay, change score by 1. Then motion time. Then go to xy 220 and -10. Let's just give all this a try out. Alright, just 36 though. I want that it will go somewhere above, like 0. Oh, no. I say 60, I say no. 100. We'll do 100. Now let's just give this all a try out. Yo. Yay, points. Yay, point. Yo. Yeah. All of the sorry. So sorry. I just forgot to set this to 100. Now hopefully it all should work. Yeah, all of these are working. Okay. Now we'll just add some music. Okay, so if touching the crab, let's go to sound and play the pop sound until we are done. Just before we try this out, go to backdrop. Okay, now similarly go when the flag is clicked. Let's go to sounds. Okay, now click on choose a sound and search CAVEK. This sound is perfect. Now let's go to sound and play sound cave until done, and go to controls, just drag a forever. Let's try that again. Forever, like so. Oh, no. Not this one. When the flag is clicked, repeat just like 2 times. Nope, sorry. Repeat 2 times. If the flag is clicked, we can just wait 0 point something like 9 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, will do. Yeah, will do. And for my last details, yeah, for my last let's just set this to something like 0.5, so it's exactly half a second. Let's try this out again, like so, like so. Yeah, no, just a little 0.3, the closest we can get. Okay, right. Yeah, this will do just fine. For my last bit, I just wanted to add a high score. Okay, so let's go to variables and make a new variable. Call this HIGH space SCORE, high score. Okay, now click on OK, which is basically my dialog. Sorry. Now let's go. When the flags, oh sorry, try that again. When that flag, when the noisy green flag is clicked, let's go to controls and then check forever with an if then block. Let's do we will just do something like this block. Okay, let's go to variables and do if the high score is greater than the score, then set the high score to score. Hopefully it will work. So let's see, try this again. 1, 2, we are out. Nah, doesn't work actually. Maybe we can just switch these two positions. So what operators do, do this thing. Okay, the high score is less than score. Okay, hopefully that will work. 1, 2, let's just get out. Yeah, this works fine. So guys, that's everything that I wanted to show you in this tutorial. I hope it was very helpful. Yeah, I hope it was very helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm only at 7 subscribers, guys. Please, I want more subscribers. And thanks for watching my video, and bye.